Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever we are. So, I'm vlogging here. I'm here in Sharjah, guys. This is Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. So, now I'm preparing to go back home in Dubai, guys. So, maybe I cannot vlog on the highway because today very danger, and here in Sharjah we cannot wear mini skirt or sleeveless or short dress, what how I'm doing in Dubai, wearing short, wearing sleeveless here, not allowed, guys, in Sharjah. So here in Sharjah little bit strict. So thank you so much, guys, for always supporting my channel, and to all my loyal followers. Thank you so much for supporting me always. Mga sisikoy, thank you so much, guys. And to all my idols, thank you so much for supporting me, guys. This is Rose Novelad Vlog here, and this is Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. And today I have to go back home again in Dubai, guys. I don't know if I can vlog on the highway, and I'm afraid because uh, not allowed now to making vlogging sometimes where you are in the highway. So I have to be careful now. So thank you so much, guys, to all my siblings, to my youngest son in the Philippines, Charles, shout out anak, to all my relatives, shout out to all of you, sa mga anak ko sa Dubai, see you later, and to my sister, Juliet and Pugay, or Juliet and Vlog. Lilingon-lingon ako kasi yung sasakyan nandyan. So, I cannot concentrate to talk here because I'm here on the highway, guys. So I'm going out for the meantime. I want to go buy something for my apos in Dubai. To Sabi, hi Sabi, I miss you, I love you. Hi Ate Amber, Kuya Sebi, mga apo ko yan. And sa apo ko sa Tugigaraw, Rhea, at saka sa mga apo ko, pamangkin ko sa Kinalo. Hi baby, sayaw na tayo, dayang-dayang, dayang-dayang, dayang-dayang. Sisibit. Saya tayo sisibit dito sa daan. Bawal dito, guys. So, thank you so much, guys. To all my idols, shout out everyone. My sisters. To all my sisters in this platform, shout out everyone. Thank you so much to all of you guys for supporting my simple videos and to my small YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Ma. Rose Novelad Vlog here in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. Thank you, guys. Mas salama.